Salida High School is about 550,000 square feet, and in addition to the normal classrooms and areas that students occupy on a regular basis, there are also a number of little nooks and crannies that are throughout, and it was really important to us that when we were assessing what devices we need to place through InformaCast, that we made sure that we had coverage everywhere that a student might be. Some locations that we wanted to make sure we considered are stairwells, as well as in our theater we have a pit area where the orchestra can be hidden beneath, and we have stagehands who are down there. We wanted to make sure that we had notifications in those little hidden areas where students might be that aren't normally thought of.
We have classrooms that might be louder than others. We've got students who are welding. We have the band class that's happening. There might be teachers who have taken their students out of the classroom and into another location for a specific class that they're doing. The difficulty is, in spaces like that, the intercom doesn't always work.
For example, in our welding room, we needed to make sure that while the students had welding masks on, there was more than just an auditory alert with a scrolling message to go off. We needed something to get their attention, and therefore we actually have placed strobe lights above those welding booths to have something flash to catch their eyes, so that if something's going off, they can look up, see something flashing with the intent that they will then know to look and stop what they're doing for that notification.
In addition to that, we have a really diverse student body, some of whom have hearing impairments. And so we were looking for a solution that had the ability to fill those gaps from a communication standpoint, both from the audio side and the visual side, and InformaCast has done that.
We wanted to be able to address those who may have color blindness, so that a student could look up and see if it's the flasher on the left, they know it's an emergency. The flasher on the right, they can know as an all clear.
What I like most about InformaCast is that it's everywhere in our building. There are the strobe lights that are going off. There are audio alerts. It's taking over the phone screens. It'll take over the projector screens. It takes over any of the TVs that we have showing our running, scrolling announcements throughout the day. It alerts in a way that our louder classrooms can hear and know what's happening. It gives me, as the building principal, peace of mind that if we have an intruder or we have to get out of the building, that I don't need to double check that band, orchestra, welding, PE, foods have all gotten the message, because they know that they will.
I find it is the most consistent way to get a message out to the most amount of people in the shortest amount of time. And that, to me, can save lives.